Hello kids! Let's learn some words starting with letter U which sounds A. A. Come on, repeat with me. A. A. Umbrella. Undergarments. Unicorn. Uniform. Urn. Umpire. Umbrella. Undergarments. Unicorn. Uniform. Urn. Umpire. Up. Unicycle. Uranus. Uncle. Unzip. Under. Repeat with me. Up. Unicycle. Uranus. Uncle. Unzip. Under. Utensils. Upstairs. Urchin. Unhappy. Undo. Ral. Utensils. Upstairs. Urchin. Unhappy. Undo. Ral. Up. Unicycle. Undergarments. Umbrella. Unicorn. Uniform. Urn. Uncles. Umpire. Utensils. Upstairs. Urchin. Unhappy. Undo. Rel. Unzip. Uranus. Under.